What's up, tubers? Dirty Diesel here. Put on the dual steering stabilizer action today. I'm real happy about it. Pretty simple install. You just take off the front. You can see that I got a little oil on there still. You take off the front two bolts. So that's the front U-bolt on both sides. And that's the angle you put them at. You see how it dips down, and that is to clear the steering. If you see, I was wondering if it went up or down. It's pretty self-explanatory once you get going. I think I spent $80 on this kit. It was much needed. My truck was a little bit wandery, and I realized after I was done why. It had a bad steering stabilizer. It was just shot. But this makes all the difference in the world. So I think they're usually $100 for a kit. I got mine for $80. So it's all 1/4-inch steel like everyone else's kit. So I just said screw it. Maybe you guys want to mention any reason why you would want gas charged stabilizers, because I've always known that a steering stabilizer should not be charged. So these are uncharged, and they work amazing. Alright guys, Dirty Diesel out.